A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Nursery, subject Maths. So, students, how are you? You are fine. I am fine. Thank you. So, the previous video we have learned the numbers 1, right? We have learned the number 1. पिछले वीडियो में हमने क्या लर्न किया है? Number 1. So today let us practice and repeat again the number 1. आज हम वापस number 1 write करेंगे, okay? Learn करेंगे. So now, are you ready, students? Take out your pencil. Take out your pencil and eraser. So now, hold your pencil like this, okay? ऐसे pencil पकड़ना है आपको. Now, let me teach you how to draw a 1, okay? 1, number 1 learn करेंगे. Now, tell me, what is this? Wow, this is a butterfly. ये क्या है? Butterfly. कितनी butterfly है बच्चों? Only one. Only one. कितनी butterflies है? One. One butterfly. Okay. We have only one butterfly. So today we will learn how to write 1. Very good. Now put your pencil on top of a line. On top of a line, put a pencil. And then we will draw a standing line. 1. Okay? Again, standing line. 1. Very good. Again, standing line. 1. Good. Again, standing line. 1. You have to repeat with me, okay? Again, standing line. 1. Very good. Again, standing line. 1. Again, repeat with me. Standing line. 1. Very good. Again, repeat with me. Standing line. 1. What's the spelling of 1? O-N-E. 1. Very good. Now again repeat. Standing line. 1. ये कौन सा नंबर है? 1. Very good. Again draw a standing line. 1. See? Again standing line. 1. Once again you have to write a standing line. 1. Very good. You have to repeat with me, okay? Standing line. 1. Again, standing line. What number is this? 1. Very good. See, you are learning how to write 1. Again, standing line. 1. Very good. Again, standing line. 1. Repeat with me. Standing line. 1. Again, standing line. 1. Very good. Again, repeat with me. Standing line. 1. Good. Repeat with me. Standing line. ये कौन सा नंबर है? 1. Very good. Again, standing line. 1. Standing line. 1. One more time. Standing line. One. Repeat with me. Standing line. One. Very good. Now one more time. Standing line. One. Again. Standing line. One. What number is this, bachcho? Students, tell me, what number is this? One. Good. Again, standing line. You have to tell me what number is this? ये कौन सा number है? One. Very good. Again, standing line. One. Repeat with me. Standing line. One. Again, repeat with me. Standing line. One. Very good. See, today you have learned again the number one, right? आज हमने वापस learn किया है number one. So, you have to practice at home. In your homework, what you have to do? You have to practice number one. How to write number one. Okay? You have to practice in your homework how to write number one. And then you click a picture and send it to the school WhatsApp number. Very good. आपने आज क्या लर्न किया है? नंबर वन, राइट? हमने ये लर्न किया है कि वन कैसे राइट करेंगे, कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे, राइट? इन अ स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन, ओके, इन अ स्टैंडिंग लाइन, दैट इज वन, ओके? सो आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, ओके, यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इन योर कॉपी नोटबुक लाइक दिस. आपको नोटबुक में ऐसे प्रैक्टिस करना है नंबर वन. उसके बाद what you have to do? You have to click a picture and send it to the school WhatsApp number. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद आपको फ़ोटो क्लिक करके स्कूल के जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है उसमें आपको सेंड करना है. वेरी गुड. टिल देन you practice number one so that we can repeat again. Okay? Till then, thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.